Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining again today. We've got another sunglasses review for you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am hyped about today's sunglasses review. It is going to be another review of Nevin Eyewear Sunglasses, who just had a buy one, get two, and a fourth mystery pair sale. And I took advantage of that the moment that I saw it. So we're going to be opening these one by one over the next several reviews. Let's get down to the unboxing. So today we are going to be opening a pair of Slater Spanish House sunglasses. I can already tell these are going to be absolutely amazing. I am excited. The reason I'm excited is because I already own a pair of Slaters. I own the Slater Paradise sunglasses, which are the black and purple version of these sunglasses. If I hold them up, these are the ones I already had. The Slater Paradise, absolutely love them. They're huge on my face, but absolutely love them. And now I have the Slater Spanish House, which adversely, instead of having a purple outline, has a black against a white outline and a white inline. Let's go ahead and take a look at them up close. Before we go ahead and go out with them on, I just want to show the quality, build quality of the sunglasses. Plastic is nice, molding is nice, hinges are nice, lenses are nice, no real distortion in the lenses. And I mean, if there was going to be distortion, this is the type of sunglasses that there would be distortion, like bubble vision from the inside. But it's very nice. They are not flimsy by any means. This is a pair of sunglasses you could drop probably a number of times before it would, break its first time. So, I'm not going to drop them to find out because they're brand new, but I've had multiple pairs of Nevin sunglasses for a while now, and I've dropped all of them a number of times, and this model specifically, the Slaters, are a solid pair of sunglasses. Go ahead and try them on. Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, these are definitely pretty nice. Absolutely love them. I mean, I knew I would because I already have the Slater Spanish, or the Slater Paradise. But now I have the Slater Spanish House as well. And yeah, these are nice, dude. I really like them. And I forgot, before we go outside and take a look at these sunglasses out in the wild, let's take a look at this lovely hard case that Nevin Eyewear sent along with the mystery pair of sunglasses. Oh, I can tell it's going to be very biker-like. Like bicyclist-like. Oh yeah, yep. Word. I'm not actually 100% sure the style of these. I'll figure it out in a second and put it on the screen, like right here. But yeah, these are pretty rad too. Lime green is not my style, but they certainly do look nice. Yeah, these are rad. Sweet. Well, thank you for the extra, mystery pair of sunglasses and the lovely hard case that you sent them in, Nevin. That's awesome. Thank you. Now back to the sunglasses I ordered. Now it is time to go out and get some out and about photos and video.
I absolutely love these new Nevin eyewear sunglasses. They are really comfortable and they look super stylish and fashionable. Whether or not you are hiking, riding, driving, hanging out at the beach, meeting friends, or just running around town, Nevin Eyewear has a pair of sunglasses for you. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and throw a link to this product down in the description of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know I am doing a good job by giving it a thumbs up and commenting. And if you wish to support me further as a creator, please subscribe and tap that bell to all notifications so that you never miss any future content from my channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.